What a chilly and damp morning it was. On one of the last days of the year, I decided to take you to the oldest continuously inhabited town in England. Additionally, this place is located in one of the most beautiful regions of the United Kingdom, the Cotswolds. This town holds many fascinating stories, some of which I will share with you. Let's discover Malmesbury together. Malmesbury is considered the oldest continuously inhabited town in England, with its history dating back to around 880, when Alfred the Great, King of Wessex, granted the town defensive rights. Its location on a hill, surrounded by two branches of the river Avon, where we currently stand, encouraged settlement and the development of the local economy. Thanks to its strategic importance, the town became one of the key administrative and commercial centers in the region. The name Malmesbury originates from the Saxon hermit Maildulf, who settled in the area in the 7th century and established a school that attracted students from the region. The word bury derives from the Old English burg, meaning a fortified settlement or town. Before exploring the town's main attractions, it is worth taking a stroll through its narrow, charming streets, filled with picturesque stone buildings and gentle curves. Walking along them, you can admire historic details on the house facades, with an atmosphere that transports you to the past while retaining a cozy, almost rural charm. Meanwhile, we are approaching Malmesbury Abbey, an impressive abbey whose origins date back to the 7th century, making it one of the oldest Christian places of worship in England. The ruins of its former grandeur captivate with rich decorations and monumental architecture that tell the story of past eras. The abbey is also the resting place of King Aethelstan, the first ruler of a united England. Do you know the name of the oldest operating hotel in England? It's none other than the Old Bell Hotel, visible on the right, which proudly holds this prestigious title. Built in 1220, it was established to provide shelter for guests and pilgrims visiting the neighboring Malmesbury Abbey. The hotel offers an intimate and cozy atmosphere, with many guests highlighting the warmth of the staff and the exceptional attention to detail. This plaque was installed in 2022 to commemorate Queen Elizabeth II's Platinum Jubilee, celebrating her 70-year reign, which concluded with her passing in September of the same year. Malmesbury is a popular starting point for visitors exploring the Cotswolds, offering easy access to destinations such as Tetbury, Castle Combe, and Cirencester. The town is located just 2 hours from London and only 45 minutes from Bristol. Monk in Meditation is a bronze sculpture by William R. Lazard, depicting a seated monk in deep contemplation, reflecting Malmesbury's spiritual heritage. It symbolizes reflection and the town's monastic history, blending seamlessly with the serene and contemplative atmosphere of the area. Did you know that in the 11th century, Aylmer of Malmesbury, a monk, constructed a rudimentary glider and became one of the first people in history to attempt flight by leaping from the tower of Malmesbury Abbey? Although the flight ended in a crash, Aylmer covered approximately 200 meters, securing his place in legend as a pioneer of aviation. The sculptures of chimpanzees, Anissa, Cassie, and Adisa by Gilly and Mark, highlight the social and communicative aspects of these animals' lives and their importance to the ecosystem. Through mutual grooming and vocalizations, the sculptures show how chimpanzees build bonds, form alliances, and cooperate. This project, supported by WWF, raises awareness about the need to protect these intelligent creatures and their habitats. Our walk through the Cotswolds is coming to an end. Shortly, I'll share another adventure in this extraordinary region with you. See you soon.